Welcome back to channel. In this video we are going to talk about tricky words. Tricky words means these words doesn't make any sounds. They have to taught as it is. They have to be taught as it is to kids. Like the, 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 he, we, we, me, she, she, be. So today we're going in this class. I'm gonna just show you only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tricky words. Okay, we have completed the group 3 where we have to introduce the tricky words also to kids. Just like we need to sprinkle them whenever we're gonna teach the sounds. Sprinkle means like we have to teach them two tricky words along with the sound so that they can read the simple sentences. I'll tell you what is the simple sentences also. So here today's topic is about tricky words. This is the set of tricky words where we're gonna teach the kids, and I'll let you know how the teaching should be done. Okay, so the, he, she, me, we, be. Okay, here you can see what is the procedure, how we're gonna teach the tricky words to the kids. You need to wait because my video is making it a little bit blur. We need to see when it will take. Yeah, now it's clear. So see, look, copy, then cover, check, write, then check. Look means I have to look and say the letters like the, the. After that they have to copy the same the here, the. After copying that, what they have to do is they have to cover it like this and they have to write here the, the, and they have to check. So if they wrote the same letters, then they are correct, means they have learned what is the. Then again they have to go another go without seeing it. They have to write again one more time. So this is how we have now came to know what are the tricky words, and this is like I have made, I was supposed to make a flashcard. I thought, okay, why to waste the paper or lamination. I have made a laminated sheet where I have wrote these tricky words. These are all, I'm going to show you all 12 tricky words in the group, first set of tricky words. Tricky words are of like 6 sets. In each set you will have 12. So this is the first set. You can see I have marked it blue. So this is the first set will be indicated in blue color. I, the, he, she, me, we, be, was, to, do, and are, all. Till here, that is first set, and the next set is the yellow set. We'll talk about the yellow set later. So in the first set we're gonna learn only these 6 like the, he, she, me, we, be. For you to understand, I'm pausing here. You can note down look, copy, then cover, write, then check, have another go. This is how we have to make a column, and you have to teach them the tricky words. Try to teach each one tricky word per day, and alternate days you can revise the two tricky words for them to memorize that, because the tricky words they have to memorize. They don't have any other way to learn it. So now coming to, I told you I'll show you the simple sentences, right? Simple sentences. If they know how to pronounce he, okay, they can do he, can. This is not taught to them yet. I will let you know about it later. She, if they have learned the tricky word she, they can read this simple sentence like she is sad, because sound I have taught you in a previous group, so they can read this. She is sad. And we also, we can hop. We is a tricky word. Can be done with the sounds, and hop is can be done with the sounds. And the sun is hot. So they can read this. They can read 3 word sentences, 4 word sentences. So they keep on start reading also. You have to implement the reading also. So the video I have taught the new sound also. In that new sound, here it will imply like pi. The pie is hot. The pie is hot. Whereas coming to here, this doesn't need any new sounds. In the previous sounds only, the group 1 and 2 only, this will cover. You know, this is tent, right? The t, a, n, t, tent is b, e, g. This is in group 4, group 3 I have taught you. So they can read this sentence, or they can read the blank, they can write the blank here. The tent is big. And this one also they can do this sound I have taught you, the new sound. And this is the, and if they know b, the long e sound, this is also I have I'm gonna do the video about along with this sound. So this is how they can do the fill in the blanks, means missing letters of the words, or writing the word with the sounds. They can do all these things. And you can see here the activities are given here to match. They have to read and they have to match to the picture. So it's not an ease, right? They should be like perfect in the sound, so that only they can read out and they can match. Where is bus, they have to match here. These all the simple activities where you have to make the activities for them, so that they can learn how to read the sounds. Reading the sounds is very much, reading the words is very much important. You need to do as much as practice, because in previous video also I have told you the reading is just like running. Okay, if they start if they know how to run, they can run very fast. So they know how to read out with the sounds, they can do the reading very fast. So for you I'm showing you how to do these activities. As a parent, we can draw the pictures also. These are very simple pictures where we can draw ourselves and we can give the words to them, so that they can read out the word and they can match the sounds. So everything can be done by hand. We can do the worksheets also by hand. There is no problem. And this the same way, when you are going to teach only 6, these are total 12. If you are going to teach only the 6 tricky words, you can make a puzzle like this, where you can make the boxes and you can write all the letters, and you can ask them to pick out the tricky words from here. See, V, W, E, V, they can circle it. The, T-H-E, the, they can circle here. Me, M-E, me, they can circle here. He, H-E, he, they can circle here. She, S-H-E, she. So this is how you have to give the practice or activities for them to identify the tricky words, and they have to do the practice of sounding the letters also. It's very much important. They have to do the letter sounding. We have completed the 3 groups. I told you that we have completed these 3 groups, and I have taught you A, J, O sounds also, and these 3 are pending. I'm gonna relieve out. This video is done. I'm gonna upload this video later. So this is how you have to teach them the tricky words. Tricky words also very much important for the kids to learn. Please teach them tricky words, very much important. So today's video is about tricky words. Thank you. Bye.